Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 10T and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. To get access to the mirror effect we have to change the back camera to the front one, so let's tap on this button from the right. And hi again. Now let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. From here let's move to the left and pick this button, so we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have the mirror front camera option. So by using this button, we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and give the thumbs up.